What's happening, bro? Welcome back to another video. This is Mod Watches, and we've got another massive delivery going out this weekend. I thought it'd be nice to show you guys what's going out in our latest delivery. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 watches here. We have a nice variety of different types of watches, different colors, and we also have a new kid on the block, which is this one here. I am so excited to show you this, but you will have to wait a couple of minutes before we get to that. Let's go through from the top. So let's start off with our regular most popular watches. This one is the Seiko Panda Daytona mod. Guys, take a look at this absolute beauty, absolutely shining in the light there. You can see has all the stickers on, ready to go. This one is an absolute staple by now. If you watch the channel, you should know that this is our most popular watch, and it's just really nice. Very clean design, clean aesthetic. We have the white, we have the black, we have all three dials on there as well. This is a chronograph, of course, and it's on the Seiko VK63 movement. All of the dials work just as they are intended to work. They have 3 crowns. You can adjust to your liking and have a play about with the functionalities as well. It is not only a nice watch to look at, it's also a very functional watch. Like I said, the 3 dials work, the main timer dial works as well, and then you have obviously the actual time telling watch part of it itself. These two are on the Oyster bracelet, which is by far the most popular choice, but as always, we can swap this out for any other bracelet that you like. Just let us know before you order. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So not much more to say for these two because we have a ton of videos on this on our channel already. So we will pop those back. But let's move on to the next one, guys. Take a look at this. This is an absolutely beautiful Land Dweller mod, guys. This is a new release actually, because we've only just recently released this. Of course, it sort of follows the release of the Rolex Land Dweller. So yeah, we can do this in a variety of different colors. We have it in a black, we have it in sorry, not in a black, we have it in a blue like this one. We have it in a darker blue like a navy color. We can also do it in a green, and we can also do it in a pearlescent white. But yeah, take a look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Very nice to look at. And then of course the thing that I really like about this watch is that subtle detailing with the seconds hand. Take a look at that, guys. You see it has that light blue color, which just really nicely complements that hexagonal pattern in the back. So this one is based on the Seiko NH35 movement. So once again, you get a date window at the 3 o'clock position, and of course all the regular good stuff that you get with the Seiko NH35. You get 30 meters water resistance on this one as well. So once again, we advise don't go splashing around and swimming deep sea on with this on, of course. Just be cautious with where you take this near the water, but you know, washing your hands and stuff like that, you should be absolutely fine. It comes with a fluted bezel as with the original, and then you have the flat Jubilee bracelet, which is a sort of a derivative of the normal Jubilee bracelet, but this one is like a flat version of that. Again, this is very close to how Rolex do it, so of course whatever they've gone with, that's what we've gone with here as well. Yeah, lovely watch. Not much more to say about that. Available on the website if you want. Link to this in the description below, and so is links to all of these watches. If you want to purchase any of them, please do check out the link in the description below. All right, moving on to the next one. This is also a very popular mod. Take a look at this one, guys. Absolutely beautiful, old money aesthetic. Take a look at those Roman dials. Very nice. This is the Seiko Santos mod. And take a look at this beauty. Absolutely wonderful watch this. And it has the Seiko NH35 on this one as well, with this proprietary bracelet. Again, we can swap this out for another bracelet if you want to go with the leather ones. We do have we have those options on our website as well. So yeah, check them out. But yeah, this is a very clean, but this is a very clean watch. You can see the black, the white, and of course, how can we forget about that blue detailing there? Take a look at that. Blue hands, and of course we have the blue jewel on the time setter. Very nice watches this, guys. Very nice. One of my personal favorites, and yeah, favorite of many people that watch this channel. Get lots of comments, lots of compliments on this watch. All right, next one we have the Seiko Speedmaster mod. Again, one of my personal favorites. It's actually part of my personal collection is this. And take a look at this, guys. I absolutely adore the crystal on this one. Again, sapphire crystal on all of these, by the way, guys. And 30 meters water resistance on all of these. So the specs are the same on all of them, but take a look at this crystal, guys. This domed crystal just really doesn't do it justice in this video. You got to see it in your hand. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks really, really nice, and it's not like a pure shiny crystal. It's kind of like this reflective type of surface. It's just, I can't really explain it, but it looks really, really nice. When the light does hit it, it kind of bounces it off in a really, really nice way. So yeah, you've got to see this in person, guys. But yeah, even in the video, it's looking absolutely gorgeous. This one's on the black dial. We have the VK63 movement in this one as well. So of course you get all the dials working. You also get the main the main clock thing, and then you have all three dials working as expected. This bracelet, very, very nice. I've spoke about this in my previous videos as well. This is probably my favorite bracelet. It's just so comfortable, and it's just so nice to adjust. It's an absolute breeze. So yeah, very, very nice. Very well done with the bracelet on this one. And yeah, that one is also another nice seller for us as well. And again, if you want to check it out, link to this is in the description below. Right, moving on. So we have the Seiko Poker mod. Oh, Seiko Royale, as some guys commented in my previous video for this one. Yeah, this one's an absolute beast as well, guys. Take a look at this absolutely beautiful watch. This one is in the gold colorway. We have got questions around this, whether we do this in a silver. The answer is yes, we do. But I will be very honest with you, just as a friend, as someone who's kind of showing you these, if you do want to purchase, it just looks so much better in the gold. I don't know what it is. Obviously, the gold color itself is it's much nicer in hand than the silver, but even if you are a silver person, if you like silver watches, you can see all of these look really nice on silver, but this one just it just doesn't do it justice on the silver. You've got to get it in the gold. You've got to get it in the gold. It's just absolutely beautiful in the gold. And yeah, of course, you've got that very, very different dial as well. We can change the color on that dial as well, so do hit us up if you want to change it to a black or a blue. We do have a few colors we can do this on. But yeah, that dial is very interesting. You've got all the different shapes of, the card deck, and then it's on the presidential bracelet. Is this one? Again, you can change that up if you would like. And then the Seiko NH35, if I can show you, if it decides to focus on there, but I'm sure you've seen this before. So yeah, there we are. Very, very nice. Very nice. A lot of my friends have actually bought this. It's very, very nice, very different. It's quite unique, and you'll find that a lot of collectors and people that like to collect these watches, they usually don't have this one in their collection, so they're always asking and inquiring about it. And yeah, a lot of people order it as well. So there you go. All right, let's move on to the new kid on the block, I guess. I don't think I've shown this on the channel before. But wow, take a look at this one, guys. Now, I'm going to try and focus on this so you can see it properly. But this, my friends, is our brand new edition, guys. We've had this on the website for a couple of weeks now, actually. We've silently been selling quite a few of these. But we haven't actually shown it on the YouTube channel. But here we go, guys. This is the Seiko Explorer mod. And take a look at this. This is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful watch, guys. I can't explain how much this thing shines under the light. It's just absolutely insane. And I think it's because of the smooth bezel. The fluted bezel shines quite a lot as well, but I personally prefer this smooth bezel setup. But yeah, take a look at that. You've got the big 3, the big 6, the big 9, and you've got the customer's actually gone for this in the 40mm variant. We can do it in a 36 as well, which is slightly smaller. And we have the brushed oyster bracelet on this one, closed case back on that. And yeah, take a look at that, guys. This is available on the website. We have the Mercedes hands on this one, NH35 Seiko, and of course you have the 30 meters water resistance on this. But yeah, looks really, really nice as this one, guys. I am seriously considering having one of these for my collection as well. But yeah, we shall see. All right, there we are, guys. That is all the watches going out for this delivery. Very, very nice collection. As you can see, beautiful watches. If you want to grab any of these, please do let us know. Well, you can just check out the link in the description below, right? You can go and purchase yours and have a look at more details about them. If you've got any questions, we do have a WhatsApp line as well. Feel free to ask any questions that you do have. But a lot of them are answered on the website. So please do have a look through the website, see what you think. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. If you have any ideas of other mods that you would like me to create, and I can show you those on our YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.